On my domain controller, I'm going to click on Server Manager. And in Server Manager, I'm going to go to Active Directory Sites and Services. This is one of the least commonly used Active Directory tools, but one of the things we have in this tool is our global catalog setting. So here, I'm going to expand this Sites folder that shows up. And under that, it has this default first site name. Now, this was automatically created. I didn't do any of this. When I installed Active Directory, it generated this entire structure. So every domain, every forest, is going to have a site name, default first site name. And under it, it's going to have the servers folder that shows up, and you're going to see your domain controllers. I'm going to go to this NTDS settings that shows up, and I'm going to right click on that and choose properties. This checkbox here, which says no other global catalog servers can be detected in the forest, but with this, I can simply deselect this, and it promotes or demotes my server from being a global catalog. We saw this when we installed Active Directory. There was a checkbox for global catalog server that was selected. If you wanted to modify that after the fact, you simply come here and you could disable that if you wanted to, or if you want to make another server a global catalog, you simply do that here. So no configuration, just a literal checkbox to enable, disable that ability.